Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about new window in Adobe Illustrator. It's very important for any designer. I'm talking about transparency window and clipping mask. So let's start. First I will talking about clipping mask effect. This effect is used for putting any shape or any text in another one. For example, I will make some star like this and another one here. And again one here and the last one here, and choose any color like this. And now I will make an ellipse like this and choose only stroke. And now I will put all shapes here in this ellipse. I will select all shapes and click on object menu and choose clip mask and make. And I can also click on any shape, double click to edit it like this. I can move it or rotate, or I can change the size or the fill like this. The second thing today is transparency window. From this window I can make two things. First, I can decrease or increase the opacity of any shape and change the color mode. And the second thing, I can make a clipping mask. For example, I'll make an text like this and write anything, and I will decrease the size like this. And now I will place any photo like this one, and send it back like this. And now select the text and the photo and choose make mask and select the black rectangle here and choose invert mask. Now you can see the photo will be inside the text, and you can also move your text to edit it like this. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.